Okay, good morning, children. So, class 1, hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. Okay, so in the last class, we have done a summary of your chapter 2. So, today we are going to do the same chapter, that's chapter 2 in detail. So, in the last class, I have taught you about the uses of a computer. So, today also we are going to talk about it in detail. Okay, so let's begin with what I have taught you in the last class. Okay, let's summarize it. Now, we have learned about uses of a computer. Uses of a computer. Now, see children, we have learned about uses of a computer. Now, in uses of a computer, we know there are several uses are there. Okay, now you have come to know there are so many uses. Okay, you are looking that your parents are also doing so many work in a computer around you. Okay, so many things are done in the last class we have discussed. Okay, so many things we can do for you are small children. So you see the most interesting thing is in your computer you can do drawing, very easy. Okay, then you can watch cartoons, you can listen to music. Okay, you can play games. So several things which we can do in a computer. Okay, hope you have understood what I have taught you in the last class. So today also you listen very properly and you will understand it very easily. When school will open, okay, I will check your copies also. Hope you all are writing in your copy whatever homework I am giving you. Today also, after teaching at the end, I'll give you homework to do. So you all will do very properly. You will write in a good handwriting, you will read at home. Okay, now you see we are going to talk about so many things. So first we are going to talk about, in the last class I have said you the uses of a computer, like what we can do. We can do drawing. So you can do different types of drawing and you can play music. Okay, after that you can play different types of games in a computer, like different types of games. Okay, you can play in your computer. You can listen song, you can listen to drama. Okay, you can type letters, you can type stories, you can type your names. Okay, so many things you can do with the help of a computer. Okay, today suppose you want to write your friend's name, you can write in your computer. Okay, you want to write about 5 lines about yourself, you can write. You want to write 5 lines about your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, so about your family you can write. Okay, so many things are there which you can do with the help of a computer. Okay, it's very easy. So and very interesting also. Next is, suppose you have a computer and you're feeling a boring, so what you can do. Okay, you can use the computer for entertainment purposes. For example, you can use internet in a computer. Okay, you can listen song. If you want to send anyone later through email, you can send it. Okay, online video calling you can do. Suppose your relatives are very far, so with the help of computer, internet, you can do online chatting. Okay, so computers has several uses. So lots of uses a computer has. So today it is uncountable. So we cannot say that one or two uses. So it has lots of uses. Okay, lots and lots of uses. So now you are very small. So we are learning the basic things. Okay, so when you'll grow up, you will see a computer has several uses. Okay, now you see, suppose you have been given a homework. Okay, if you have a computer, you can do multiplication, addition, subtractions, okay, divisions. Even you can learn the table 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, whatever. Okay, so you see, you can write, you can save it, you can record it. So many things you can do. Okay, so it will help you to get knowledge. So computer is not only for entertainment, computer is not only gives us opportunity to learn, but it allow us to do so many things. Okay, So you see, these all whatever I have discussed, these all are the things which we do in a computer. They are the uses of a computer. Now one by one I will write, you all will see it very properly. So what we are doing first, children, listen. Okay, we are able to do, we can draw. Okay, next thing, we can listen to music very properly. We can listen. After that we can play games. So different types of games you can play. Okay, after that you can solve different type of sums. Okay, so you can solve sums. Okay, after that you can write letters, you can write stories, okay, etc. So children, you can do so many things. Okay, you can draw, you can listen to music, you can play games, you can solve your sums, you can write letters, stories, etc. So many things you can do. Okay, now you see, this will help you to learn different types of things. Okay, so we don't learn computer for only particular things to be done. So we learn computer, okay, so that we can do many things, and the computer makes our life very easy, very comfortable. So you see, the task, the work which can be done with our hand, it will take long time, maybe 2-3 days. In a computer you can do in a very short time. Maybe you can do in half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, so you see, computer will help us to do all these things. Now see, if you are making a drawing in your copy, okay, if you are making a drawing, it will take a time. You have to put color, you have to think, maybe the color will come out, it won't look good. But when you will draw in a computer, you will see the color, different colors, everything will look very good, and in a short time, very quickly, you can do it. Okay children, so same way everything. Okay, now see, listening music, people are listening music through their music system at home, televisions, okay, cell phone. So you see, we can listen to music with the help of a computer also. Okay, many people, they have a computer, so in off time, okay, when they don't have any work at home, in office, so what they are doing, they can listen to music. Okay, after that, games. Suppose you're feeling very boring, you have done your homework, you have you have completed your studies. Okay, so maybe your parents may give you permissions, so for a short time, okay, game is not for a whole day, for a short time. So many students, they may play games also for a short period of time. Okay, so you see, next is solve sums. Sometime you may not be able to solve the sum, so in that case you may use the computer. Okay, you can do different type of sum. For example, you look at the blackboard. Okay, suppose you are doing addition. Suppose 16 plus 12. Okay, so 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So you see 28. So like this sums we can do in a computer very quickly. Okay, you can do divisions. Okay, suppose 2, 10 is here. Okay children, so 2 5s are 10. So like this, addition, multiplication, divisions, okay, subtractions, tables, so everything we can do in a computer. Okay, so that's why computer is very important, and it has many uses. Okay children, so it has lots of uses. It has lots of uses. Now we are going to see what else we can do with the help of a computer. Okay, so let's begin. Now you see, computer can do all these things, but some things are there, like some few things are there which computer cannot do. Now if you say computer do the drawing, make your drawing, so computer will not be able to draw. Okay, now when you keep the things, for example, you have brought fruit, vegetable, and if you say the computer, you keep this properly, can it? So computer cannot do it. But if you keep in a freeze, in a refrigerator, so it can last for a 2 3 5 days also. Okay, so something computer cannot do. Even computer cannot take the decisions. If you say to the computer start, okay, MS Paint, so computer cannot do. Okay, MS Word, computer cannot do. So you see, when we are using computer, we are giving command to the computer. We have to on, then only computer will do the work. Okay, so computer cannot do anything by itself. Okay, now so it is not a human being, it is a man-made machines. It is made by the scientists, it is made by the man. So it cannot, like today, when we feel thirsty, we drink a glass of water to quench our thirst. But today computer cannot think in that way, so it is a machine. Okay, it does not have a thinking power like us. Okay, so it cannot work by itself. So we require to put a data, we have to give a, and we have to give a command to the computer to do the work. So few things are there which computer cannot do, but other things are there, like it work more faster than the human beings, like we. Okay, when we will do some work, maybe when we'll write a letter, it may take a time, but when we will type the letter in a computer, so you see it will be done in a very short time. So you see there are so many uses are there which come in computer, it is very much essential. Okay, so next is we are going to see in the same chapter. In the last class, in summary, I have said you, today we are going to see once more. So we are going to see the place. Okay, places where computer are used. Children, you see, in the last class also I have said you, so today in detail we are going to do. So first of all, so we can use the computer in school. Okay, so we can use a computer in school. So you see, now you are in class 1, you will, when the school will open, I will take you to the lab, you will see the computer, you will use the computer. Okay, so in school we use a computer to learn. Okay, so you see, in school we use computer, so you will be coming to know. So in school, students, they learn with the help of a computer. Computers are kept in office. Computers are also kept in a school counter. So when the student, they pay the fee receipt are given from the computer. So many things, even a school result, the report card can be prepared with the computer. Okay, so many things we can do with the help of computer in school. Next is, okay, at home. So children, at home also we can use a computer. We can use a computer at home for different purposes. For example, you can do your homework. Okay, when you're free, you can listen to music, you can play games, so etc and etc. So many things you can do. Okay, you can do many things in computer at home also. Okay, if anyone don't know how to use computer, so they can learn how to use. Okay, so many things we can do with the help of a computer. Next is, see, in office also people are using a computer. So in office people use computer, okay, for doing the work, for typing a letter, okay, for making a project report. So many things are done, okay, with the help of computer in office. Okay, now next is rest, that is your hotel. Now in hotels also computers are used for preparing the bill. Suppose you all went with your parents to the hotel or restaurant to have something. So when you go to restaurant, you give an order. When you have your food, you see, okay, the waiter will bring the bill. So that bill is also prepared with the help of a computer. So computer help, not only it does the work in the different places, so in hotel and restaurant also it does many work. Okay, after that you can see number 5 in bank. Okay, so in bank also, you know the place bank. It is a place where we deposit the money, where we withdraw. Withdraw means when we take out the money. So maybe sometime before, not now, due to lockdown, now you're not allowed to go out. Okay, so sometime you may go to bank with your parents. So you have seen that in counter, cash counter and other counter, in bank also computers are used. Okay, next is railway stations. Now see, in railway station and airport also computer are used. Computer are used for what? For providing tickets. In airport, flight ticket. In railway stations, railway tickets. Okay, so you see when we pay money, they give us ticket. So there is a computer where they make a ticket and they give to us. Okay children, the last is your shop. So now you see in different shop also, when you go for shopping, okay, after doing a shopping, when your parents they pay the bill, you see that bill is also prepared in a computer. Okay, so you see everywhere. Okay, once more I'm telling. So in school computer are used, in homes computer are used, in office computer are used, in hotel computer are used, in bank computer are used, in railway station and airport computer are used, shop computer are used. So everywhere today, wherever we go, okay, any work is not done without computer. Okay children, so today we have learned, okay, in detail the uses of computer and the places where computer are used. So these all whatever I have taught you, you try to keep in your mind. Okay, today also I will give you some homework. You will do it in your copy. Okay, and you will learn properly, and when school will open you will show me all the work very properly. Okay children, for today this much only. Thank you.